Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of my brother's keeper. Aisham Umshengu is struggling. Uyasokola Ukaisham. Umshengu, thanks good to Mam Kun is still here. Guys, Umsheng. I thought maybe he losing his children was the greatest loss, but it looks like losing the wife is the greatest loss. A second wife at that. Ukai is not coping. Ukai dishes up for his late wife daily. Ukai nje is just not going. But Utoba was worried and wanted to address the matter. But leave him, let him be, let him mourn the best way he can. But ke manje masekuphakela umamchunu, ayi seyithi red flag, red flag, red flag. Ukhathazile ke yena unenkinga naye uThidi. uThidi, every conversation that she has these days with uNdumiso inokhatha phakathi. Hayi uNdumiso amtshela ukuthi ukhathazile sembambela phezulu esifamily kanje. Question i1 nje qha. Umbambela phezulu, yes we get that. Mara uyazi ukuthi unokuphoqa uThidi amthatha amphonselele. Akakayazi shem. Uthoba ke asathi udlalisa umuntu wakhe athi not in public, mina I've got a lot to lose. Umama kaSibusiso is not supposed to know ukuthi kwenzakalani, but Utoba does not want that. Utoba wants their love to be publicized. Utoba wants to be on cloud 9, and I'm asking myself ukuthi Utoba, does he honestly think that his family is going to accept that, knowing how his family moves? Like really, it does not make sense. Ufakazile ne azihlanyise sekawumuntu ofuna ukupaka, sekafuna umuntu ofuna ukuhamba. Hayi yaqina ke kuyopakwa ekamereni. Angazi-ke ukuthi uke ugqina hambile, mara umpako usukile waya kuphi? Ekamereni. Hayi unomusa-ke angisho uqoshiwe lapha, asuke ugela ayephi? Aye kaFakazile ayovakashela abantwana, adlale nabantwana, aqoqe nomakazi. Hey kuhlalwe nje ugela azaphuze netiya. Buza lokho amakazi makasayothula iwashini athathe kwasani kwamntwana kwathoye kwasani uyohlanya enye into uFakazile makafika endlini athole ukuthi i-house is children to let. I don't know if that's called the correct English, but i-house to let eyabantwana.